Hi students, today I want to show you how to move your week 10 reflection into your ePortfolio. So you're going to go to your classwork tab and find ePortfolios, and let's go to one of the students here. So click on your folder, and a little too big. So we see here that we have a week 10 reflection. So you're just going to move it into, oops, these are moving around here. We're going to click and drag it into the About Me folder, and we're going to click Move. Then we go to our inventory sheets, double click. At the bottom, we are going to find the All About Me folder. We could arrow back and forth till we find it down here. Here it is. And I'm going to make this smaller. I can do that by clicking on this 100%. Maybe I'll make it 50%. Oh, that's easier. Okay, so we will write today's date is March 22nd, and I'm just going to click my cursor in the next box, and then I type week 10 reflection. And that's it. Now I'll just get out of here by closing the tab. And I'll click back on my name. And that is it. You are done. You have put all of your reflections into the About Me folder for session 136.